Hi, welcome to this short video tutorial. Today we will be looking at ejector pins, and they can be found in the Perfs and Pins menu. Scroll down ejector pin sets or EJ from the command line. We have a number of different sizes based on the vendor. If we switch to Royal or Dayton, pin diameter, thread diameter. I do hope to add the Misumi ejector pin sets to this in the near future. But for now, we're going to, for this demonstration, we're going to go with the Dayton, the J6, and we are going to start with the profile view. And we'll go over to this side view, snap to the center of the stripper face. The direction, length to the head of 530, we'll accept that. And distance to the base, I'll snap to perpendicular. And yeah, that draws it in. Do a little bit of cleanup. Yeah, and there you have it in the side view. We'll draw a few in the plan view. Now I usually use these for shedding off of a pilot hole, and that's what I'll be doing in this example. But before I do that, there is a help system for this, so click on the help button, and yeah, it just brings up a description of exactly what it is, the command line, the menu location, and then the intelligence that's built in, the bill of materials, BM, whole table, HD, and then the touch command, which is mouse activated. Also, you can view this YouTube video demonstration by clicking the video demonstration button. But yeah, we'll click OK here. Prompts for an insertion point, and we will put it off the center point of that pilot, and we'll accept that 1/2 inch distance. And I'm just going to copy this down now, the length of the pilot line. In fact, let me check something here. I do have my progression set at 1 inch. So I am just going to do array progression right. And let's just say 10. If I'm a little short or a little long. Yeah, so we got a ejector pin to shed off of all these pilots. Now to show you some of the intelligence that is in the plan views of these pilots, we'll go to balloons, split leader balloon or LB. Let's start with balloon number 100, snap to the center, and draw our balloon in. This object is linkable. So instead of hitting enter, I am actually going to select this ejector pin. And yeah, you don't see nothing happen, but what that allows you to do is when you run the bill of materials program, or BM, it's going to put it in the bill of materials, and that's going to happen in this area real quick. So watch this, BM. And there you go. There's the Dayton manufacturer, 100 detail 100, 11 required. It's a purchased item, and then the pin diameter along with the catalog number for ordering. Let me quickly copy one down. It also has the hole chart for the hole tables, so we can go to dimensions. Whole table, I will use the select option and just select that single ejector pin set, labels it, prompt to put the whole place to put the whole table data, and yeah, real quick, real clean, and I hope you enjoyed this short video. Thank you for watching.